A day at the beach, eh, Duggee? Woof! What's that you've got there? A bucket and spade? Let's build some sandcastles, Squirrels. The Sandcastle Badge. Who wants to get their badge? Cabot Norrie. Fill the bucket with wet sand. Use your finger to move the sand into the bucket. Drag the sand to the bucket to fill it up. Fill the bucket with wet sand. Nice. Remember to pat it down. Tap the top of the bucket to pat the sand down. Nice. Nice. Drag the bucket off the sandcastle. What a glorious sandcastle! Now let's add the finishing touches. Drag the items onto your sandcastle to decorate it. Excellent! Amazing! Good work! Nice. Excellent. Let's add a flag to your sandcastle. Tap on a colour. Tap the tick when you've finished. Excellent, Norrie. A sandcastle to be proud of.
Yay!
Well done, Squirrel. You've earned your Sandcastle Badge.
Yay!
Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh.
Duggee hug.
The Big Outdoor app. Out now. The Sandcastle Badge. Who wants to get their badge? Betty. Fill the bucket with wet sand. Use your finger. Drag the sand to the bucket to fill it up. Fill the bucket with wet sand. Excellent. Remember to pat it down. Tap the top of the bucket to pat the sand down. Excellent. Excellent. Drag the bucket off the sand. What a glorious sandcastle. Now let's add the